Okay. Okay. For the recording, let's do it again. So for exercise 2, you have to tick the substances that can dissolve in water. Okay, I repeat. The first picture is alcohol. You said a while ago that alcohol can dissolve in water, right? So if your answer is yes, you have to tick the circle. Okay, tick the circle. And the second picture is soil. Okay, can salt dissolve in water? Yes or no? No. Okay, so leave it as it is. What about potassium permanganate? Yes or no? Yes, so you have to tick it as well. And next, after this one, let's move on to number 2. Okay, this is number 2. So you can see here, okay, how many students can you see in the picture? How many? 2 students. It's the girl and the boy. And what are they doing? What are they doing, class? What are they doing? They are making a solution. Okay, they are making a solution. So Kang is holding a food coloring, a powdered food coloring, and the girl is mixing, or the girl is holding a water. Okay, they are making a solution out of water and powdered food coloring. So first question, can you read number 1? Is 1, 2, 3, go. Dissolving. One more time. Is 1, 2, 3, go. Is dissolving the powdered food coloring in water a physical change? Why? Okay, I repeat. Is dissolving the powdered food coloring in water a physical change? Yes or no? What is your answer? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? The answer is yes, it is a physical change. But why? 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 What is the reason why? Because what? Because if the substance, if the mixture of the substances doesn't change, it is always a physical change, okay? This is because both the food coloring and the water still remain the same substances. When you mix the food coloring and water together, they are still water and food coloring. They did not change into different states. They did not change into solid. They did not change into gas. Do you understand? Okay. Okay. Finish? Finish? Okay, number 2. Everybody read number 2. Apart. 1, 2, 3, go. Apart from food coloring. coloring, what else can dissolve in water? Okay, apart from food coloring, aside from food coloring, what else can dissolve in water? Okay, can you give me one? Aside from food coloring, what are other substances that can dissolve in water? You can give me one. When you mix it in water, it will dissolve. Yes? Anyone? Salt. Very good. What else? Salt. What else? Sugar. Very good. What else? What else? Alcohol. Very good. Okay, so you have granulated sugar, table salt, alcohol, and even oxygen. Okay, go. That is just an example. You can add more if you want. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Are you also writing? What porn? Finish? Tell me if you're finished, okay? One, two, three, four, 8 liter. 8. Okay, finish? Right? Okay, let's move on to page 100 and 160. 160. 160. 160.
เปิดหน้า160นะคะเด็กๆเปิดหน้า160ค่ะ
So this is about the first, okay, this is about our first discussion on the changes, the physical changes.
การเปลี่ยนแปลงทางกายภาพนะคะ physical changes.
Okay, so the first question is, okay, the first question is heat, okay, listen carefully. Is heat important for the change of state of matter? Yes or no? Why? Okay, is heat important for the change of state of matter? Okay, let's take for example the boiling of water. When you boil a water, you need fire, right? Yes or no?
ใช่ไหมคะต้มน้ำต้องการไฟใช่ไหม
Yes or no? Okay, when you boil water, for you to have a coffee or milk, you need heat, right? Another example, when you want to melt an ice, okay, you need the heat, okay? So is it important? Yes or no? Yes or no?
important แปลว่าสำคัญใช่ไหมคะ
Is heat important? Yes or no? Yes, it is important. Why? Yes, it is. But why?
ทำไมคะ
Okay, just what I said a while ago. For example, the boiling of water. Okay, when water is heated or cooled, it may change its state. Okay. That is just an example. Okay. So when we boil water, from liquid, it will turn into gas, right? Yes or no? When we melt an ice, due to the heat of the sun, maybe the ice cube that is solid turns into liquid. Finished?
ความร้อนนะคะมีความสำคัญต่อการเปลี่ยนแปลงของสารใช่หรือไม่ใช่ไหมคะใช่แน่นอนความร้อนทำให้ทำไมคะน้ำแข็งก้อนน้ำแข็งละลายนะคะหรืออย่างเช่นเราต้มน้ำมันก็ทำให้น้ำนะคะเดือดกลายเป็นไง
Okay. Finish? Okay, for number 2, can you read number 2 for me, please? Give 1, 2, 3, go. Of states of matter in everyday life. Okay, give 3 examples of a change of states of matter in everyday life. Okay, can you give me one? From liquid to solid, from solid to gas. Can you give me one? From liquid to gas, what are the things that you do? Okay, I'm gonna give one example. Boiling water until it vaporizes. When you boil the water again, let's have boiling water. The water liquid turns into gas. That is another change of matter. What else? Can you give me more? No more? Okay, you can think. For those students who are in their houses, can you give me more? Aside from boiling water until it vaporizes, what else? Can you think for more? What else? Anyone? 5, gel? Pankao, Jiramet. Oy, Anda. Can you give me more examples? No more? Okay, I'm gonna give one more. Water turning into ice in a freezer. When you put a water in the freezer, it will turn into ice. Very good. Very good. So if you put the water in the fridge, it will turn into ice cube. So that is from liquid to solid. Okay, and last, ice melting into water at a room temperature on a table. That is a melting of an ice from solid to liquid. It's easy to copy, right? Easy. Finish? How home? Finish? Okay, number 3. What is the difference between melting and solidification? Can you still remember? What is the difference between melting and solidification? Melting is from solid to liquid or liquid to solid? Melting. From what? Melting is from what state? Solid to liquid. Very good. From solid to liquid. Solidification is what? From liquid to solid. Okay, go. Melting is a change of state from solid to liquid when substance is heated. Well, solidification is a change of state from liquid to solid when a substance is cooled. Okay, go.
นี่คือการละลายส่วน solidification แปลว่าการทำให้เป็นของแข็งก็คือทำไมคะเอาน้ำจะทำให้เป็นของแข็งก็คือทำให้เป็นน้ำแข็ง
Yeah, this one is right. This one.
This is
Yes, yes, 5 is here. Sure, what's the name of this one? Not is here, not here.
No.
Don't wake up. Oh no. Finish? Make it, please make it fast because we're running out of time. Okay. Okay, finish? Okay. For number 4, what is the difference between sublimation and deposition? Class, what is the difference between sublimation and deposition? Can you still remember what is sublimation? Huh? From what? From what state? From what state? Sublimation is what? You remember the dry ice? What is the dry ice? Is it solid or liquid? What is dry ice? Solid or liquid? Solid. Very good. Now, if we leave the dry ice open, it will turn into okay, from solid. Sublimation is from solid to gas. What about deposition? Do you still remember what is deposition? From gas to so very good. From gas to solid. So sublimation class, okay? Sublimation is a change of state from solid to gas, the dry ice to gas, and then deposition is a change from gas to solid. Okay. What is the example? The iron flakes. You still remember the iron flakes? Iodine, I should say, iodine flakes. Oh, where's that? Is it? Okay, finish? Finish? Maybe code picture. This one. Okay, I think you're all finished. Yes? Oi, finished? Okay, make it fast, please. Recordings. Yes. How is that picture? I repeat, the dry ice will change its state from solid to gas without being a liquid. We call this sublimation. Okay, 1 minute. Finish? Students in their houses, finish? Yes or no? Pankal, finish? Pankal, can you hear us? Gel? Okay, I think everybody's finished with number 5. Now I'm gonna give you your homework. So your homework will be on page 159. Okay? 159. Draw a mind map, diagram, or summarize what you have learned from this lesson. Okay? From physical change, from the changes. Okay? So mark that as your homework. Okay, now, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Students, do you have any questions? Yes or no? Are there any questions? One, 159.
ไม่ว่าเกี่ยวกับสรุปความรู้ที่เราได้เรียนไปนะคะ
Okay.
มีคำถามไหมสตางค์จะถามเหรอสตางค์มีคำถามไหมลูกเมื่อกี้เห็นเปิดไมค์
You have question?
อันนี้คือหน้าการบ้านนะคะ
Do you have any questions? I'll take a photo.
ดิเชอร์จะเทคโฟโต้นะคะ เปิดกล้องหน่อยเร็ว
Open your video, teacher. Okay, 1, 2. Jal, 1. Open your video. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So that's it for today, for this morning. Say thank you and goodbye. 1, 2, 3, go. Students, say thank you. 1, 2, 3, go.
ทางบ้านด้วยค่ะทางบ้าน เปิดไมค์ค่ะ
Thank you.
ขอบคุณคุณครูพร้อมกันทางบ้านค่ะ เปิดไมค์ค่ะ